Hello everyone, welcome to MEP Booster. So in this lecture we'll discuss Introduction to Air Handling Unit. After the end of this lecture you would be able to understand about air handling unit. Then we'll discuss about the role of air handling unit in HVAC system. So let's start. So now here first we have to see that what is the main purpose of air handling unit. Okay, so all of you know that an air handling unit is a critical component of heating, ventilation and air conditioning system. Okay, so its primary purpose is what? The primary purpose is to condition and circulate air within a building or space by performing tasks like heating, cooling, humidifying, dehumidifying, ventilating and filtering the air. Okay, so same point is written here. Air handling unit condition and distribute air within a building. They take fresh ambient air from outside, clean it, heat it or cool it, maybe humidify it and then force it through some ductwork around to the design area within a building. Let's take one example. So you know that in a commercial office building, generally the AHU may be installed in a mechanical room and connected to ductwork. So what they do, it takes fresh outdoor air in and return air from inside the building. After filtering, cooling and dehumidifying the air, it circulates the conditioned air throughout the building. So this system ensure what? Employees work in a comfortable, well ventilated, temperature controlled environment. So this is our main target. Okay, so this is the main purpose of AHU. Now in next point it is written, they are usually located in the basement or the roof or on the floor of a building. Okay, air handling unit are found in medium to large commercial and industrial building. Okay, so this is the main purpose of air handling unit. And you also know that in clean room facilities like those in pharmaceutical production, AHUs play a crucial role in maintaining a strict air quality standard by filtering out contaminants and controlling temperature and humidity level. Okay, so now let's see the next topic, what is the role of AHUs in HVAC system. So remember here, air handling unit is central to the functioning of HVAC system, performing multiple tasks related to air quality, temperature circulation, humidity control. So now here I will show you a detailed explanation of its role, okay, with example for each function. So let's see. In that, the first point is given air circulation and distribution. So what is this? The primary function of a AHU is to circulate air throughout the building. All of you know that. So AHUs pull in return air from the building, condition it and then distribute the conditioned air back into the occupied spaces via ductwork. Okay. So this ensures that the air is evenly distributed to all areas, maintaining a uniform indoor environment. For example, in a multi-story office building, the AHU pulls air from various floors, cools or heat it, and then redistribute it to different rooms. Okay, so this ensures that all areas have a consistent temperature and airflow, preventing hot or cold spots. Okay, so the first role is given here. Now the second one is air filtration and quality improvement. So let's see. AHU plays a significant role in improving indoor air quality. So filters within the AHU, generally we are using different types of filters are there which remove contaminants such as dust, pollens, allergens and other pollutants from the air before it is circulated. Okay, So in environment like hospitals, laboratories, or clean rooms, generally AHUs are critical in maintaining high air quality standard by incorporating HEPA filters or other advanced filtration system. So if I take one example, so all of you know that in hospital generally AHUs are equipped with a HEPA filter, means high efficiency particulate air filter, to remove harmful contaminants, okay, protecting patients from airborne infections. So the air circulated in operating room and patient ward is cleaner and healthier as a result. Okay, so HEPA filter can filter the air up to 99.97%. So that is why in hospital generally we are using HEPA filters. Now the next is the temperature control. What is this? See, AHUs are responsible for temperature regulation. They contain heating coil and cooling coil to adjust the temperature of the air supplied to different spaces. Okay. So generally you know that in winter the air is heated and in summer it is cool to ensure the indoor temperature remain comfortable and matches the set condition. So by controlling the air temperature, AHU maintain thermal comfort within the building, keeping its spaces warm in the winter and cool in the summer. So example, let's say one example, in a shopping mall, AHUs adjust the temperature based on external conditions. During summer, AHUs cool the air before circulating it to maintain a pleasant indoor environment for shoppers. Okay. So this is the next role of AHU in HVAC system. Now the next one is the ventilation. So what is ventilation? First try to understand. AHUs are key to ensuring proper ventilation by supplying fresh outdoor air to indoor spaces and exhausting scale air. So ventilation means, already I have told you, AHU introduce fresh outdoor air into the building to replace stale indoor air, preventing the buildup of carbon dioxide and other harmful gases. This prevents the buildup of indoor pollutants and help maintain a healthy indoor environment by providing the necessary air changes. So proper ventilation also helps regulate oxygen levels and prevent the buildup of carbon dioxide and other contaminants. For example, in a high-rise apartment complex, the AHU draws in fresh air, mixes it with the return air and supply it to each unit. So this maintains indoor air quality and prevent the rooms from feeling stuffy or polluted. Okay, so this is the role. Now the next is the humidity control. So here in climate where humidity levels must be managed, HU may include humidifier or dehumidifiers. Okay, so this component generally control the moisture content in the air, which is essential for comfort and health in various settings. All of you know, as per human comfort, how much humidity level we have to maintain. So as per ASHRAE, American Society of Heating, Refrigeration, Air Conditioning Institute. So as per ASHRAE, the human comfort, for human comfort, the humidity level which we have to maintain is near about 50%. Okay, so that much of humidity we have to maintain. So let's say if you are designing for any city where the humidity level is low, less than 50%, so on that time here we have to install the HU with humidifier. Where in that location where the humidity level is high, more than 50%, so in that condition we have to install the dehumidifier to remove the moisture content from the air. Okay, so humidity control is also crucial in preventing issues like mold growth, which can occur in buildings with excessive moisture level. Okay, generally you have seen that in a museum, maintaining the right humidity level is essential to preserve art and artifacts. Okay, so the AHU ensure that the relative humidity stays within the desired range, preventing mold growth or deterioration of sensitive material. Okay. Next one is the energy efficiency and load management. So by conditioning and circulating air efficiently, AHU contributes to energy saving. Advanced AHU systems are designed to minimize energy consumption through features like variable speed fan, heat recovery system, and smart control. And the next point is given, AHUs that are properly sized and maintained help reduce the overall energy load on the HVAC system, leading to more efficient operation and lower utility cost. Okay, so in a smart office building, generally the AHUs are equipped with sensors that adjust the airflow and temperature based on the number of occupants. When fewer people are in the building, the AHU reduces output, minimizing energy consumption and utility cost. Okay, so this is the role. Now next, which we have to see, the role of AHU in HVAC system is the fresh air intake and air mixing. What is this? See, all of you know that AHUs can mix fresh outdoor air with recirculated indoor air. Okay, so this mixing ensures that sufficient fresh air is brought into the building to dilute indoor pollutants while minimizing the energy required to the condition air. And the proper mix of fresh and return air helps optimize indoor air quality and comfort while controlling energy uses. Okay, so this process helps in reducing the energy load required to condition entirely fresh outdoor air. Okay, so in a school building, the AHU generally pulls in fresh air from outside and mixes it with the return air from classroom. So the fresh air prevents the buildup of carbon dioxide, while the mixing process helps the system maintain the desired temperature without excessive energy use. Okay. Now the next role of AHU is the humidification and moisture remover, or air remover you can say. So AHU can be configured to dehumidify the air, an essential function in hot and humid climate. Okay, AHU generally removes excess moisture from the air to control the humidity level, particularly in humid climate or during summer. Okay, so by reducing the air moisture content, the system helps maintain comfortable humidity level, prevent condensation, and protect the building structure and occupants from excess moisture. Okay, and it also exhausts stale or contaminated air from space like restrooms, kitchen, and laboratories. Okay, for example, in a hotel generally what happens, AHU dehumidify air in humid region to prevent rooms from feeling clammy or damp. Okay, so the AHU in the kitchen exhausts hot greasy air while replacing it with conditioned filter air to remain a healthy environment for staff. Okay, so this is the role of AHU. Now the last one which we have to discuss is noise control. What is this? Try to understand. All of you know that AHUs reduce the noise generated by HVAC systems such as fan and air movement. So AHU also play a role in controlling noise levels within a building by incorporating sound dampening features or installing noise absorbing material. So this is a particularly important in environment like offices or hospital where low noise levels are essential for comfort and concentration. For example, like in a library, the AHU is designed with noise insulation and it's placed in a dedicated mechanical room. So this ensures that the airflow is quiet and does not disturb the library's peaceful environment. Okay. So this is the another role of AHU in HVAC system. So here we have discussed the complete role of AHU in HVAC system. Now the topics which we have covered in this session. First we have discussed about the air handling unit, that I have shown you the role of air handling unit in HVAC system. So hope all of you enjoy this session. See you in next one.